I do. I just gave it to you.
It's expired.
I
This
just
is not a Texas driver's license.
You don't need a Texas driver's license to drive here.
So you don't have your
You
driver's
don't need,
license is
you,
expired.
you don't need a Texas driver's license.
So the reason why I'm asking
How are
to
you law
identify-
enforcement? You don't even know your laws.
This is only valid if you have a U.S. identification to go with it.
No.
By itself. So I need some identification. If not, he can't drive off on Texas roadway without a valid driver's license. And I'd like to identify wife to see if she has a valid driver's license so that way she can drive off.
Where his driver's license through Texas is
Expired. Okay, Mr. Lincoln. Do you have a phone number so that way the court can contact you?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, this is... Thank you. Okay. Court date is September 1st, anytime between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., okay? Citations, failed to signal within 100 feet, no driver's license, and expired driver's license. Okay, do you recognize this as your signature?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. So let me give you your copy. You're free to go, okay? All the court information, address, phone number, website, email, if you need to contact the court, is in the back, okay? This is your copy. You have a better day.
Display driver's license and signal. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Did you already send that to the court by any chance?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And it was valid that day of
Yeah.
the ticket?
Yeah, it was valid.
Okay. Okay, then don't worry about that ticket. We'll just put a dismissal in on that. And let me just make a note on here. And on the failed to signal intent to turn, are you challenging that ticket, or were you just trying to
Yes.
keep off
Yes.
the right?
I haven't got any. Yeah, I haven't got any evidence or anything.
Oh, okay. What we'll do is we'll put you on the discovery docket for that. Now, on the ticket itself, did you just feel like you did signal?
I did signal. Yes.
Okay. Okay. What I'll do is we're gonna dismiss the driver's license ticket, the signal ticket. We're gonna put it on what's called the discovery docket. That's where you'll get the evidence. Basically, the prosecutor just has to get the video, pull it, make a copy for you. Now, my guess, because I'm about to be out, so we'll have a new prosecutor. But that person, when they watch the video, if they see that you signaled, they'll just go ahead and give you a call or shoot you an email. If you want, that just lets you know you don't need to show up. It's been dismissed, but you can still pick up the video. Like, they'll still make a copy of it. But yeah, do you want them to give you a call or anything? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
You can email me that because I requested that through a public information request, and I didn't receive it.
Okay. What's a good email then?
At gmail.com.
Okay. Okay, now let me just put on here. Email video. And if the video is too big to email, what they can do is you can either pick it up from the court or they can mail it to you.
Okay.
But they'll go ahead and email you when that time comes,
Okay.
just in case. But I just know from the past when we tried to email stuff, it's
Too big.
it works out about 5% of the time. So
Okay.
but we can mail it to you. So.
Okay.
Okay, but so
Okay.
you're all set. They'll give you a discovery docket date. I wouldn't worry about necessarily taking off for that day, but you can for sure if you want. But hopefully the new prosecutor will contact you before then. So.
Okay, so I should be contacted by when? Do you have an ETA?
Tracy, you're muted. Sorry, I'm gonna try to find out when the discovery docket.
Okay.
When is the discovery docket set? Is it?
So, we have one for the 20th of this month, but it might, I'm not
Oh,
sure.
those are closed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It might not be until January or February, the next hearing.
Okay.
We'll email you the new notice, either this afternoon or on Monday.
Okay. So, and it'll be that week that they'll contact you.
Okay.
Most likely. So not too far out. So, I mean, it seems far out, but compared to how we usually are, it's not
Right.
too far out.
Right. Yeah. I understand.
So, yeah.
So-
Thanks. But I hope you have a good weekend and everything.
So do you have a good phone number for me?
Oh, what?
Oh, a phone number? Do you have a good one for me?
Yes.
Actually,
Let me-
yeah, I can add that to here too.
We have 210-999.
Right. Okay.
Is that right?
Was it 999 at the end?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'll so I put that in there too, and the new prosecutor will get my notes, so they'll know to email or call you. So,
Okay. So I will be getting an email regarding the DL dismissal, the citation.
Well, what I would do, because when I sign the dismissal, it has to go to the judge for approval.
Okay.
I don't see her rejecting it, just
Okay.
because, since, I mean, I just don't see that happening. So, one way you can check to see that the dismissal's gone through, because I never see the dismissals once it goes to the judge. One way is if you go online and you're acting like you're going to pay, like on the online web portal,
Okay.
it'll no longer show up on there. So that's one way you can find out. But another way, if you just contact the court, they'll be able to send you a copy. So.
Okay. And by when do you think I should call them for that?
I would give it probably a couple weeks, because I think the judge is out today. I'm going to go over there this afternoon to sign the dismissals. And I'd probably give the judge, probably sometime next week, and then probably the following week for the court to enter it into the system. So maybe like 2 weeks.
Okay.
You can try sooner, but it just might be stuck in the process between either the judge signing it or it getting back to the court to be updated. So.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. Thanks. Well, have a nice week.